Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
So, you've bought a nightclub in GTAV, but how do you actually make money? Well, there are two key ways. First, there's the passive income from your club's popularity, which fills a safe for you over time. Second, and often more lucrative, are the active sales from your warehouse, which accumulates special goods. Balancing these two methods is essential for making serious cash. Keeping your nightclub popular is crucial for a consistent income stream. You'll want to regularly complete the short club management missions that pop up. They might involve picking up VIPs or dropping off promotional flyers. Always make sure your bar is stocked and your DJ is playing. A full popularity bar ensures your passive safe income just keeps flowing in day after day. The real big money from your nightclub often comes from its underground warehouse. Here, you assign technicians to passively accrue goods from your other criminal businesses, like your bunker or MC club. These goods accumulate over time without any effort from you. Once you have a good amount, simply launch a sale mission, deliver the cargo, and enjoy the substantial payout you receive. To truly optimize your nightclub's earnings, investing in a few key upgrades is smart. The equipment upgrade significantly boosts how quickly your warehouse technicians produce goods, which is a massive help. A security upgrade can prevent those annoying police raids or rival attacks. Plus, adding extra storage floors means you can hold more product, allowing for larger, more profitable sales. To wrap things up, always remember to keep an eye on your popularity meter, topping it up with quick missions. For those large warehouse sales, consider selling in a public lobby with more players, as this grants a significant bonus, though it does add a bit of risk. With these strategies, your GTAV nightclub will become a reliable cash cow for your empire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.